Hey Tech Army, what's up? Welcome back to another amazing episode of Tech Timing. So guys, in this amazing episode, we're going to discuss 7 iOS tips and tricks for everyday use. Are you guys excited? Let's get started. So keep up with me to the end, comment right below this video, subscribe if you still haven't, and turn on the post notification for more videos. The operating software on Apple devices is quite remarkable. iOS has many features that go unnoticed, which would make users' lives easier and increase productivity. Many of the simple features are not known by the average user. With the release of every iteration of iOS, new useful features are added that are not always in the release notes. That's why they go under the radar. Fortunately, this video will list some tips and tricks to make the most of iOS. Make the most of your iOS device with these features. Number 1. Swipe to erase in Calculator. A simple yet time-saving trick is the ability to backtrack any mistakes you make while using the Calculator app. It's not uncommon to input the wrong number and have to start all over again. Since there's no backspace button in the Calculator app, it's not obvious how to delete a digit. However, all users need to do is just swipe over the number to remove the last digit. One can also copy the number by tapping and holding it. Number 2. Stack widgets on home screen. Courtesy of widgets, people do not have to open apps every time they want to access new information or the latest updates, but this could result in the home screen getting cluttered. Luckily, iOS users can stack widgets by holding onto an empty space, dragging one widget on top of another that is the same size, and tapping on Done. Users can swipe through the stack to display the widget they need. Number 3. Text replacement. This feature can save iOS users some time by replacing specific text with something else. Instead of having to type out a long sentence, users can assign a shorter text to replace it. To do this, they can open the Settings app, go to General, visit Keyboards, then Text Replacement, and tap on the plus sign to the top right. Users can now add a phrase in a shortcut text that will be replaced by the phrase while typing. Number 4. Jump to the top of the scroll bar. While reading a long article or going through a large photo library, it can be quite time-consuming to scroll all the way back up. Thankfully, there's a faster way to do so simply by tapping the top of the screen, which will take users to the top of the article or photo library. Number 5. Turn the keyboard into a trackpad. Selecting a certain text can be hard to do for people using just their thumbs. All users have to do is press and hold the spacebar, which will allow users to move the keyboard cursor wherever they want with more precision. This will save some time. Number 6. Add captions to photos. With a plethora of images in users' photo libraries, it can be hard to remember where certain pictures are from. Adding a caption that can offer the location, time, and more can help give context to images that would otherwise be forgotten. To do this, users need to open one image in an album in the Photos app, swipe up, tap on Add a Caption, enter the information they want, and tap on Done. The best part of this feature is that people can also search for these images by typing in the caption in the Photos app search box. Number 7. Identify music. iOS has an inbuilt feature for identifying music. This is done by integrating Shazam Music directly into the operating software so that users do not need to install the app. To use this feature, users need to visit the Settings app, tap on Control Center, and then on the plus sign next to Music Recognition. The next time users need to figure out which song is playing, they can just open the Control Center and tap on the Music Recognition icon. So guys, that's all for today's video. Share as much as you can, as it really motivates us to create more content for you guys. With that, we end our video. Hope you liked the video.